Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that can make your car's cooling system last practically forever. Most people don't even think about their cooling system until the dreaded temperature gauge shoots into the red or steam starts coming out from under the hood. But here's the truth. Overheating, blown head gaskets, and even total engine failure can all be avoided if you take care of this one system the right way. Stick with me, because what I'm about to share could save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Step 1. Let's start with coolant, the lifeblood of your cooling system. A huge mistake drivers make is assuming all coolant is the same. It's not. Your car may require green, red, orange, or even blue coolant, and using the wrong one can cause corrosion, clogged passages, and early failure parts like your water pump or radiator. Another common mistake: adding plain water to top it off. Water alone doesn't protect against rust or extreme temperatures. Unless you're in an emergency, always use the correct type of coolant that's specified in your owner's manual. That one habit alone will massively extend the life of your cooling system. Step 2. Coolant doesn't last forever. It breaks down over time. Old coolant becomes acidic, which actually starts eating away at your radiator, heater core, and gaskets. That's why you should flush your coolant at the recommended interval, usually every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your car. Don't just top it off. Draining, flushing, and replacing it with fresh coolant keeps your system healthy and prevents expensive failures. It's one of the cheapest and most effective ways to keep your cooling system alive for the long haul. Step 3. Now, here's something most people never think about: the radiator cap. This little part keeps your cooling system under the right pressure. If it's weak or damaged, your coolant can boil at a lower temperature, leading to overheating. A failing cap can also cause leaks and air pockets in the system. Luckily, a new radiator cap costs less than $15 and can prevent some of the most common overheating problems. Replacing it every few years is a simple insurance policy for your engine. Step 4. Next, let's talk about hoses. Over time, radiator and heater hoses get soft, cracked, or swollen. Once a hose bursts, your coolant is gone in seconds, and your engine can overheat almost instantly. That's why you should check your hoses regularly. If they feel spongy, brittle, or show signs of swelling, replace them right away. Also, make sure your hose clamps are tight. This is a small maintenance step that can prevent big disasters. Step 5. The water pump and thermostat are two critical parts that keep your cooling system working. The water pump circulates coolant through the engine, and the thermostat controls when that coolant flows. If either one fails, you're in trouble. Watch for leaks around the pump, grinding noises, or a fluctuating temperature gauge. If you notice those signs, get them replaced before they leave you stranded. Step 6. And finally, don't ignore the radiator itself. Over time, the fins get clogged with dirt, bugs, and debris, which restricts airflow and makes your car run hotter. A quick rinse with a garden hose every once in a while can keep it clear. And if you spot even a tiny coolant leak, fix it immediately before it gets worse. So, there you have it. The right coolant, regular flushes, a good radiator cap, healthy hoses, a strong water pump, and a clean radiator. Follow these simple steps, and your car's cooling system could last as long as the car itself. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car-saving tips, and share this with a friend who wants their car to last forever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.